Are you tired of being overlooked in Webex meetings because no one sees you want to speak? Learn the simple trick to get noticed instantly. In this tutorial, I will show you exactly where to find the Raise Hand button and how to use it, step by step. Alright, let us start with the basics. Sign in to your Webex account. Now, you probably already have an account, but make sure you are signed in to the desktop app before you join anything. Use your work email and your password, just like you normally would. If you have the app open, you should see your profile picture or initials in the top right corner, which is a good sign that you are logged in and ready to go. So, once you are signed in, go ahead and join a meeting or start one. You can do this from the main home screen under the big blue Join button, or you can click on a link from your calendar invite. If you are starting your own meeting to practice, just click the Start button. Either way, give it a moment for the audio and video to connect. It might take a few seconds, depending on your connection, but soon you will see the meeting window appear in front of you. Now, find the button on the toolbar. This is the part people usually miss. Look at the very bottom of your screen, right in the center of that black toolbar. You've got your mute button, your video button, and then a few icons over toward the right side. Look for an icon that looks like a little hand with its palm facing forward. That is the Raise Hand button. If you hover your mouse over it, a small label will pop up that says Raise Hand. And here is the really important part. If you are using a newer version of Webex, this button might be hiding under a three-dot menu labeled More. If you do not see the hand icon right away, click those three dots and you will find it there. Click it to alert the host. When you click that hand icon, the button will turn blue and the hand symbol will fill in. This sends a notification directly to the host of the meeting. They will see a pop-up on their screen letting them know that you want to speak. It is a much better way to get their attention than just typing hello in the chat box or trying to unmute yourself and shout over everyone else. I have tested this in dozens of meetings, and I can tell you that the host almost always sees that notification. It is reliable. Once your hand is raised, you will see a small hand icon appear next to your name in the participants panel. If you look over on the right side of your screen, where everyone's names are listed, you will notice a little blue hand emoji sitting right beside your name. That tells everyone, not just the host, that you have something to say. It is a clear visual signal that you are ready to contribute. When you are finished or no longer need attention, click the Raise Hand button again. Once the host calls on you and you have had your say, or if you changed your mind, just click that same button one more time. It will toggle off and the blue highlight will disappear. Your hand will be lowered and the raised hand indicator will disappear. Now, if you look back at the participants list, you will see that the hand icon is gone from next to your name. You are back to a neutral state and the host knows you are done. It is a very clean system once you know how to use it. You have now successfully raised and lowered your hand in a Webex meeting. That is all there is to it. No more feeling invisible, no more awkward interruptions. Next time you are in a large meeting and you have a question or a comment, you will know exactly what to do. Thanks for watching.